Welcome, we will talk about an interesting phone that offers a combination of elegant design and powerful performance, and it could be an attractive option for those looking for a smartphone with advanced specifications at affordable prices. Which is the Nothing Phone 2a. Advantages. The rear cameras provide strong performance in different lighting conditions. It comes with a camera. Dual background 50 plus 50 megapixel, front 32 megapixel. Different design with backlit LEDs. AMOLED screen with good resolution with a large area and supports a 120 Hz refresh rate. It comes with a 6.7-inch Full HD screen. Large capacity battery that lasts for a long time with 45-watt fast charging. With a capacity of 5000 mAh. Loud and distinctive stereo sound. You will get excellent performance thanks to the MediaTek Dimensity 7200 Pro processor. Phone weight: 190 grams. Comes in two versions: 8 or 12 GB RAM. Interior space: 128 or 256 GB. Supports wireless charging. It runs on the operating system, Android 14. Don't forget to like and subscribe and activate the notification bell. Disadvantages of Nothing Phone 2a. You will need to purchase the charger head separately and a case does not come in the box. The phone does not support the ability to install a memory card. The phone lacks a telephoto camera. It would have been better if it had IP68 waterproof protection like the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus. The back material is plastic and it captures fingerprints in black. If you finished the video until the end, thank you very much. Just like that, the video is finished. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share. We want to reach 1000 subscribers.